My name is Elin, and I'm going to speak about my 10-day retreat at the M.E.E.T ministry. I first heard about the ministry through my friend, Michael Carducci, who has his own ministry. And his experience was so good, I was eager to try it. Throughout my life, I had been looking for ways to become healthy, and I always tried new things, and some of them worked and some of them didn't. Unfortunately, keeping on the right path was difficult for me. So I came here with some reservations, not too many expectations, and I have to say my experience has exceeded anything that I could have dreamed of. The cleanse was amazing, the staff is amazing, and the people that were in my group were just amazing. We had amazing fellowship. I learned a tremendous amount. The program is very thorough and it's very complete. I loved my time in prayer here because it's something that I felt I was challenged with at home. And I feel that the influences that the people have had around me will continue on when I leave. So, when I felt maybe I couldn't keep up certain things or I'd go back to certain habits. But I feel so renewed and so confident. I feel that this ministry has put me on the right track. The right track of healing. And I'm looking forward to going on. And I'm looking forward to working with myself and praying to a God and asking for help. And again, I can't say enough about the staff here. They've just been wonderful, so supportive, so loving, and so caring. There isn't a question that wasn't answered for me. And again, I just want to say thank you to the ministry for all that you've done, all that you've shared with me, and all of your love. I felt a tremendous amount of love. Thank you.
Yes. We want to thank you for choosing M.E.E.T Ministry and for sharing your talents with everybody here.
Aww.
It's been a blessing for everyone. As you share with us that you don't have a Bible and that you never read a Bible, we are blessed to be the instruments that the Lord used to introduce you to His Word and to His Gospel. In Psalms 119:105, it says, "That word is a lamp unto Elin's feet, and a light unto Elin's path." M.E.E.T Ministry is blessed having the privilege to present this Bible to you.
I'm gonna cry.
May the Lord bless you and guide you to the religion.
Oh my gosh. You are too much. Oh, thank you all so much. Thanks, Claudia.
Oh, that's from me.
Oh, thank you.
That's from
Well, we want
that's from
to
Dr. Jackson and Sister Jackson.
share with you how to use this instrument. If you are in the kitchen, you need tools in the kitchen to make the job much easier. So we wanted to show you how to be able to use this tool that God is giving to you today to bless you more abundantly than you ask or think. Now, you have a marker, but I want to take you to the very front of it. When you want to learn and know what to do and what is in here that is available for you. So we go to the table of contents. And as you read, it's going to tell you all the books of the Bible. It's going to tell you a history of each one. And then one of the things that's most prominent about this Bible is that it gives history. It tells you about the timeline. Starts you from the very creation. Takes you all the way down through Moses and all, and you go on and you finish up in Revelation. So you don't have to have a dictionary. You don't have to have a concordance. This book will have everything that you need in it. And each book will have its own time. Then one of the other things that's so wonderful about this particular Bible, and that is that it tells you each chapter, and then you can go down through. Let's go back here on this other page, and here it has index to the charts. And this is one of the most wonderful things in this Bible, the personality. You go to Genesis, it'll have different people that are in Genesis. It'll tell you about who they are. It'll tell you their weakness. They'll tell you where you find their stories. And each book, it'll do just that for you. And then it tops it off with a Christian workers resource. Now, what is that? That is so that you will be able to learn the principles of how to incorporate this material in your life and then teach you how to teach somebody else.
Thank you. Thank
Say,
you all.
you can't get to heaven without taking somebody with you.
All right.
And so you got to work on somebody else.
All right.
Amen?
I hear you.
May the Lord bless you.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you all so much.
And then, oh yes, you got all your books in there. Each one, then you got a reading plan. So here, it'll show you where they are, tell you what pages they're on. So if you don't know how to find them, and then you'll have an index here, so you can look here and go right to where they are in the Bible. So, and then it's a large print. Then it has a cross reference. What does that mean? That means that if you want to know about this particular verse, you can look over here and it tells you someplace else you can find it in the book. Then you can look down here and it'll tell you some information about that here. And then it'll tell you someplace else you can find it. So you can sit here for hours and go from book to book to book.
Oh,
Praise
thank you.
Amen.
Thank you. This is too much.
And so when you finish with that, you can help somebody else.
Thank you. I'll always try to help someone else.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
But I'll try to help them with this.
Yes.
Okay.
Save to serve.
Okay.
May the
This is a beautiful cover. It says love,
Yes.
you know, and I just feel that for me, love is a very important thing for me to have and feel towards others and give as best that I can.
Yes.
So you picked the perfect cover. Thank you. Thank you all so much.